Hi students, once again welcome to Shamshakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School, Malad online classes. Student, myself Apeksha Deshmukh, and today I am going to start lesson all in one standard 7, and this lesson is written by Tithi Tavera. So student, in previous lecture we see that in this lesson there are two girls, Rima and Malti, and Rima is very attitude girl, but Malti is very poor and simple, but she is very intelligent girl. So student, in this lesson now we see the story of Malti and Rima. Okay, you see in textbook I explain and read this story. Okay student, now I read first paragraph. Shehnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Means Shehnaz giggled. Giggle means Shehnaz asked very rudely. Means very insulting manner. And she asked very insulting manner. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? To Malti. Then next line. Malti looked offended but did not reply. So offended means felt very bad or felt very insulting. But poor Malti felt very bad, and she thought these girls making friendship with me, but Rima and her friends insulting her. So now next line. And the skirt so long, said Claire catily. So another one girl, Claire, said, your skirt was so long. Catally. Catally means kissing her, and she kissing her and said that your skirt is so long. Then Malti flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered as the class progressed. Everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. So student flush, Malti flush. Flush means Malti felt very insulting and she was going to say something back to Shehnaz and one another girl, Claire, but just then teacher entered in class and she could not reply back. So as the class progress means student, as the study went on from one subject to another subject, so this is called class progress, and everyone was surprised that Malti raised her hand. Raise her hand means to show that she knew the answer of all questions, and everyone was surprised that when teacher asked the question, Malti raised her hand. So in next line. Yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. So student, when teacher said, yes Malti, your answer means tell your answer. At that time Malti give her answer correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. Appreciation means teacher appreciates her, means teacher say good. Then in next line, when Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, sounds like a clever girl. Recounted. When Rima recounted means told or narrated the story what happened today. So Rima discussed everything and she explaining everything at home, what happened in the school. So student, you also share all things or all activities in your home with your parents. So like this, Rima also share all things with her father and mother. So her mother said sounds like a clever girl. Sounds like a clever girl means Malti is very clever girl. So in next line, when Rima recounted this at home, her mother said sounds like a clever girl. What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Her English is so atrocious. Then Rima said, what is the use? Rima said uncharitably. Uncharitably means very uncut way, means very bad manner. So atrocious means very poor, means not so good. So Rima said that is not use. her English is so poor quality. So now next paragraph. The same may be said of your Hindi, counter Mrs. said sharply. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. And then counter. Counter means reply back. Means Rima's mother said the same may means Rima's Hindi was very poor. Means not good or very poor. So she said sharply. Sharply means very angry tone. She said very angrily. Your Hindi was also very poor, and he was getting quite of Rima's attitude. Means her father was getting quiet. Getting quiet means very angry with Rima's attitude. So then even Mrs. Sen did not like it. That night Rima's parents discussed the matter, and even her mother means Mrs. Sen did not like her attitude. Attitude means her behavior. Her behavior was not so good. So at that night they decided to discuss about the matter. Matter means all thing what happened in school or with behavior with Malti. So now in next line, we put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob, said Mr. Sen sadly. Then Mr. Sen means Rima's father said sadly, we put Rima into a good school to make her very smart and confident, and they are afraid that she is turning into quite a little snob. So student, snob means a person who does not like to make friends or other person. Means Rima did not like to make a new friend, so they afraid that she is turning into a little snob. So now in next line, in next paragraph, the following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants. For the Hindi song category, Oily Plate sings also, she said sneerly to Claire. So student, the following Saturday. Following Saturday means the next Saturday. In all school make a group of children, and it is called inter-house. Inter-house means between the houses. That was the competition, and it was the singing competition. So Rima was taking part in that competition, and she had selected the English song category. So she was singing a song in English. So she has given her name for that, but she had surprised to find Malti's name in the list of participants. Participant means list of people who are going to take part in the competition. But Malti's name was Hindi song category, and Rima said that Oily Plates sings also. So oily plates means Malti put so much oil on her hair. So Rima and her friends called her Oily Plates. Means Rima and her friends kept her nickname Oily Plates. So next line. Crocs, you mean? Giggled Claire. So crocs mean is a sound that is made of frog. And this sound is very bad, so no one like this sound. And next line, they were to be proved wrong. They were to prove be wrong means they thought that Malti could not sing. And in next paragraph, Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided to hear when Malti sang, but there was such absolute silence they did not dare to. So student, they were to prove wrong, means they thought that Malti could not sing, and that day on the stage Malti sang very beautifully and melodious voice, means and her voice was well trained. Well trained means Malti was taking training in singing teacher. So Rima and her that jeer. Jeer means make rude remarks in a loud voice. So they decided when Malti sang on stage at that time they make a loud voice, but there was such absolute silence, and in hall there is very silence. So they did not dare. Dare means they did not courage to do like this. So in next line, they were sure to get caught. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teacher and students. So when Malti finished her singing, the principal was the first one start clapping, and then teacher start the clapping, and then all students start clapping. Means Malti sing very beautifully. So next paragraph. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. So student, no one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Means Malti sing very beautifully. So no one surprised that Malti won the first prize. And Rima did come first in her category. Means Rima on the Hindi sing category, and Malti on the Hindi song category, and Rima come first in English song category. But Rima not felt very joy because she had jealousies of Malti, so did not feel joy, or she did not happy. So student, the remaining part we see in next lecture. The student, look at this picture. These are two girls. This is Malti and this is Rima. So student, we see Malti is very simple girl, but Rima's face is very attitude girl. Mean this is Malti and this is Rima. So student, there are some new words in this lesson. First is giggle. Giggle means very insulting manner. Then cattle means teaching. Then recounted means told, and atrocious means very poor quality. Then snob means a